Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifiers Absorbers Home Electric Air Dehumidifier for Bathroom is a standout appliance designed to combat humidity and improve air quality in your living space. This sleek and compact device offers a perfect blend of efficiency and modern aesthetics, making it an ideal addition to any bathroom or small room. One of the most impressive features of this dehumidifier is its ability to quickly reduce moisture levels in even the dampest of environments. With a capacity to remove up to 20 ounces of water per day, it effectively tackles issues such as mold growth, musty odors, and condensation on mirrors and tiles. The built-in intelligent humidity sensor allows the device to operate automatically, adjusting its performance according to the humidity levels in the room. This smart capability not only enhances convenience but also promotes energy efficiency, making it an eco-friendly choice. The design is another highlight. It is lightweight and portable, featuring a compact size that allows it to fit seamlessly in tight spaces. The modern look complements various decor styles, ensuring it doesn't disrupt the aesthetics of your bathroom. Its whisper-quiet operation means it can run undetected, making it suitable for nighttime use or while you're relaxing in the bath. Maintenance is straightforward, too. The 1.5-liter water tank is easy to remove and empty, and an LED indicator signals when it's time to drain the tank to prevent overflow. Additionally, the added safety feature of an automatic shutoff ensures that the device stops operating when the tank is full, preventing any potential mess. Overall, the Dehumidifiers Absorbers Home Electric Air Dehumidifier for Bathroom is a highly effective solution for tackling excess moisture. Its smart features, stylish design, and ease of maintenance make it a valuable investment for anyone looking to improve air quality in their home. Whether it's for a bathroom, closet, or laundry room, this dehumidifier is a reliable companion in the fight against humidity.